Now the speaker is also hogging the headlines because of what he said.
Yes.
Now, meron naman akong girlfriend, sino ba naman ang wala? Okay.
Tingnan mo yan.
You know, it's important to ask you this because you're championing the rights of women.
Right.
Ikaw yung boses ng kababaihan. What do you say to something like this? Kasi it can move forward to number one, a possible, well, disbarment. Should he be disbarred? Should somebody file? First, your thoughts on that.
Well, tingnan mo yan, no? Hindi lamang si Speaker, dalawang lalaki na dati ang init-init kay Senator Laila, kondenahin siya, tugisin siya, hanggang yan, serva ng warrant, kulungin, in a very sexist and misogynistic campaign. Built purportedly on drug-related crimes na hanggang ngayon hindi pa nila na-corroborate ang testimonya galing sa mga hindi kwalipikadong witness. But really wrapped up by all this judgment and condemnation and harassment against her about her personal, even sexual history. Kapag babae yung tinugis nila noon, ang tindi ng judgment at saka ng persecution, naging political persecution na rin. Pero pag sila, iti-trivialize nila na dahil lalaki sila o yun ang kanilang kaligayahan or whatever. That is a terrible double standard. Talagang pinalilitaw yung that patriarchal values are alive and well even these days.
Should somebody file a disbarment case against the speaker?
I think that would be up to any citizen who would take it in their mind. Ang sa akin is, dahil fellow legislators kami, I certainly expect more or better from him. Lalo na siya pa ang pinuno nung kabilang house. Counterpart namin, dapat sa paghahain, pagpasa ng mga matitinong batas, hindi pagpapakita ng sexism or misogyny or a double standard in relationships.
I don't know if you were able to look into this. It's just something I read in the editorial of the Inquirer that basically said that apart from a possible disbarment, if anybody files it, there is something that says, I'm sorry, I wasn't able to write it down, that pwedeng matanggal sa posisyon ang isang legislator because of something like this. Would you know anything about it, Senator?
Well, I don't know that anyone has set such a process in motion. Magiging action yan lamang ng House of Representatives sa kanilang Committee on Ethics.
That's right. Doon pupunta yun. But the speaker though was saying, I also remember that when you talk about Senator Laila de Lima, he was hitting Senator Laila de Lima on the drug charges. Hindi naman daw niya pinakailaman yung love life ni
I'm
Senator
so sorry, hindi po totoo yun. Kahit mag-rewind, napaka-low-tech, di ba? Mag-rewind tayo sa mga panahon yun. Balikan natin yung pag-imbestiga ng House Committee on Justice at yung mga pronouncements din, kahit po ni Speaker nung panahon yun, ay talagang pinagpipiestahan ang personal na buhay ni Senator Laila in a way na doubly vicious dahil babae siya. Kung lalaki siya, witness today, hindi siya pahihirapan ng ganyang katindi. Siguro kalahati lamang. But they really use that double standard against women and double standard on gender against her.